On a cold spring evening in 1979, a plume of invisible spores drifted through the air over a Soviet city, unaware of the tragedy it would bring. The incident began at Compound 19, a secret military microbiology facility on the outskirts of Sverdlovsk, now known as Yekaterinburg. A maintenance error occurred when an exhaust filter was removed to clear a blockage, and its replacement was not installed before the night shift resumed production. Plume of Bacillus anthracis spores drifted southward over residential neighborhoods, reaching thousands of unsuspecting citizens. At least 68 people died from inhalation anthrax. The Russian sources suggest the true toll may have been higher, with 95 or more infected. The Soviet government quickly blamed tainted black market meat, deploying KGB agents to confiscate hospital records and death certificates to maintain the cover story. 13 years later, President Boris Yeltsin finally admitted the outbreak had been caused by military activity, revealing a dark secret of the Soviet Union. This event confirmed the USSR had been secretly violating the 1972 Biological Weapons Convention, leading to a new era of international cooperation in bioweapons destruction. That was the story, here on Errata. If you enjoy forgotten history told accuracy first, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, and we will keep bringing the past back to light.